Hello, welcome back again to my channel. It's your friend Bob. Super excited to bring you some more Vietnamese food, and today I'm here at North Market in downtown Columbus, Ohio, and I'm gonna share with you some amazing Vietnamese food. So stay tuned. Thank you again for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Please remember to subscribe if you have not, and let's stay tuned and enjoy some Vietnamese food. So here we are inside North Market in downtown Columbus, Ohio. Super excited for this pho. So this is shrimp pho with some onions, some cilantro in there, and it's steamy hot. And I'm super excited for this. Putting a little bit of the hoisin sauce, you know, to give this pho some good flavor. And the price actually is pretty good. It was only $13. So I'm gonna mix up some stuff here too. You know, give it more taste and flavor. The sriracha, you can see it. Just give it some spiciness as well. I put the whole thing in there. Oh man, can't wait for this one. If you watched one of my videos I did about beef pho, and someone recommended this place that they do have some really good shrimp pho, so I was like, I need to give it a shot, and here I am. Got a little bit of some jalapeno here. Got some bean sprout basil in there, lime. Gonna mix up everything together. So you can see it. Oh man, it smells really good. Steamy, hot. Cheers. Oh my goodness. No, this is a good pho. It's so sweet, so flavorful. The broth is amazing. It does have a little bit of a sweetness from the hoisin sauce. Also a little bit of some spiciness from the sriracha. Oh, perfect. And you got the jalapeno as well. Perfect for gloomy day here in Columbus, Ohio. Oh, that's perfect. I like the crunchiness of the onions, the freshness of the bean sprouts, and the shrimp. It does give this pho a really good aroma. Wow. It's spicy, but I like it. I think I'm gonna add more jalapeno, more bean sprouts in there. Gonna mix it up all together. Take a look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. That's perfect. I need to try these noodles while they're still steamy, hot, and fresh. Cheers. Oh, soft. They're on the sweeter side. Flavorful. Take a look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. Perfect. Oh jeez, I can't get enough of this. I need to try a little bit of the shrimp. Perfect. So the shrimp is grilled first before it's poured inside the pho. So it does have like a charred, you know, smoky kind of flavored taste. You know, they're really good. Really good. Need to chase that with some broth. And this is like a beef broth. So flavorful, tasty, hot. Loving it. Five-star claw. And I know a lot of you will be asking yourselves, well, Robert, how come you're still not using chopsticks? It's because, again, never had a chance to practice and master, the chopstick. So just gonna go old style, old school, and do the fork. Oh, I think I need to drink from the bowl. Excellent. You get like tons and tons of noodles in there. There's no way you can finish this. So you just gotta try your best and stuff, fill your stomach and then save the rest for later. But again, it's a great experience here at Lan Viet Pho. It's an authentic Vietnamese restaurant inside the Milk Market in Columbus, Ohio, in downtown Columbus, Ohio. I'll leave the address in the description box, so if you want to check it out, you can stop by. The pho itself is like $13, and again, you get your sides of your condiments to add on your pho and enjoy perfect dish. I'm loving some Vietnamese food. Oh. I'm gonna grab 2 shrimp and a big serving of the noodles. Amazing. I'm gonna chase it with a broth. Oh. Man, oh man. This is the place to be. Food is quality. You get your money worth. That's for sure. Summer roll. So this is like a Vietnamese roll. Clear shell. And inside you do have some lettuce. I believe a little bit of some noodles. And some shrimp dipping sauce. This is my first time trying some summer roll, so let's give it a shot. Cheers. I love the sauce. Sweet peanut butter sauce. It's soft, fresh. I tried to pour that. Oh yeah. I love this. Amazing experience. Shout out to my friend who recommended this place. I've had an amazing time. I've enjoyed my food. And I still have tons and tons of pho here and some noodles and some shrimp. I'm gonna save it for tomorrow. And just gonna wrap up here. And pretty much gonna get ready for the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Please comment and let me know what you think about today's video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much for your support and your love. And until next time, thank you so much. Take care.